Hello everybody, welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Shama Trades. So I'm going to start my analysis with DXY on a 4-hour time frame. As you can see, the market break the previous high around this year, and it retested to this area exactly on the previous resistance, which now is on a support level. So what I'm going to do here, if I'm aggressive trader, I'm going to enter this trade at the break of this minor consolidation around here. But I'm also a conservative. I don't take trade aggressively. So what I'm going to do, because I don't like the way this market retested, I usually like the market to retest in this kind of manner to this area. Before now, I draw my counter, then enter the trade. But because of news, this market retested very aggressively. I don't like the way market retested. So I will not take this trade. I will not take this trade. What I will do, I will wait this market to break this area again to confirm now that we are on a strong bullish trend. And I will wait the market now to retest to this area for the second time. This will be the first retest. Now this will be the second retest. Then from here now, I will now continue with the upward trend, and I will be more comfortable taking my trade around this area. That if the market is continuing to be bullish. But if the market decided to drop, maybe after breaking this area around here, then I will now start thinking of selling DXY. But for now, I think the more confluence, we are on a bullish than on bearish concerning DXY. Now let me move to another pair. Let me move to another pair. This is USD CHF. On CHF, currently it's in an area where I don't like to take any trade in this area, because we are in the middle of her resistance here and support here. So I don't like taking trade within the middle of any setup. I will like to take trade whether the market is above here or below here. So what I'm expecting to see on USD CHF, I'm expecting to see USD CHF retested maybe to this area. Then I will take my trade here, or drop to this area, then maybe I will take my trade around here. So this is the confluence of two things that I'm expecting to see on USD CHF. But for the rest, let me check for other pair also what to see. Now in USD CAD, you can see we have a strong resistance. The market respected this level for a couple of times, and the market do break the trend line and also break the resistance, and exactly the market is on my support area. So what I'm expecting to see, I'm expecting a USD CAD to break this minor trend line around here. Then I took my trade and ride my trade to the upside. So what I'm expecting to see on USD CAD, I'm expecting to see if the market will respect this area and give me a buy signal around here. Then I will run this trade, my first take profit here, and then second take profit above there. That's what I'm expecting to see on USD CAD. But if the market decided to drop, then I will wait this market around this area. This is where we have a strong support at the bottom here. So I will wait the market around here, maybe to buy again, or maybe to change direction. So that's all that I'm expecting to see on USD card. Another pair also that I want to see, this is USD JPY. By now, I don't have any setup on USD JPY because also the market is within the range. I'm expecting this trade maybe to have any sign of it, because when the market is around at the support level around here, that's when I will start to see anything to trade. Now, what I'm expecting, maybe if the market turn bullish, I'm expecting this market to break this level around here and to retest to this previous resistance, then it will give me a good signal for buy. So for me to enter USD JPY, I will expect this market to break and retest to this area. Then I will take my trade from there. So that is what I'm expecting to do on USD JPY. Now on GBP JPY, this is what I'm expecting to see. The market it's kind of like breaking the long trend, which started from around the bottom here. The market respected this trend, and finally the market has break the trend. I think maybe the market will run a little bit higher, but the market decided to break the trend. So what I'm expecting is two area. I'm expecting this area market to retest to this area before now dropping, or I'm expecting this market to do something like this and then to give me a setup around this area. So I'm expecting the market to drop to this area. This will be a good point because we have a previous support here, and now it's going to form a resistance. Or maybe the market, this is now the current resistance, the current support. I'm expecting the market to drop to retrace to this area, then break this area, then retested to this level around here. That's now when I will have a good area to trade. So that's what I'm expecting to see on GBP JPY. Another pair also that I want to do, this is NAS 100. Currently, the NAS 100 has not given me a good trade since. So I'm still waiting for a good setup on NAS 100. But for now, I'm still waiting. Maybe if this market decided to break and retested to this area, then I will have a setup around this place. But for now, I'm still waiting to see what Nasdaq will give us. So let's also look for another pair. This is US30. Currently, US30 denied me a very good entry around this area. I expected the market to complete this small area around here, to touch this previous resistance. Then I will enter this trade around here, but the market decided to deny me this entry. Now the market reversed against me. So I don't know where US 30 is going currently, but if it decided to drop again to this area around here, then that one will give me a good entry for buy signal. Or if the market decided to break upside and retest it to this area, also I will have a good entry around this area, because this is now my previous resistance. So that's what I'm expecting on US 30. Again, let me go to another pair and see what we are expecting. Now on another pair, we are going to handle. Now on another pair, we are going to handle Euro USD. This is Euro USD on a 4-hour time frame. And as we can see very clearly, the market has break this level around here, and the market is already on retesting the same level. So for aggressive trader, you can start by entering here. When the market break this level around here, this minor level around here, you can enter your trade around here, your stop loss here, then your first take profit here, your second take profit down there. But for a conservative trader like me, I will still wait this market to come and break this area again to show me now the change. The trend has officially changed, and we are now on a sell or a downtrend on Euro USD. So if the market decided to break this level again and retrace to this level, then from now I will be now sure that the market has changed the direction. So what I'm expecting this second retest. This is what I'm expecting now on Euro USD. But for those who are aggressive, you can wait upon the break of this trend, a smaller trend or a smaller trend, then you can enter your trade for a sale. So that's what I'm expecting on Euro USD. Now let's look again on another pair. Wait to see what to expect. We are currently on her GBP USD. You can see how GBP USD was on a strong bullish trend, but now the market has break the trend line. Now we are start looking for a sell position, and now first thing you can see, this was resistant, was a support. Now market break the support. We are retracing now to this support to this resistance around here. So we are expecting this market to drop from this area around here. So if you draw your counter trend line, then the market break it, you can enter your trade around this area. But that is if the market retraced to this area around here. That is for those who are aggressive to enter any trade. But for those who are conservative, I would still wait the market to break for the second time this area and retest it again to this area, then I will enter my trade around here. So that's all on GBP USD. And lastly, I'm going to do gold. So on gold, we can see very clearly we were on a very strong bullish trend. We got this setup up to take profit, and market immediately decided to drop and break the trend line around this level around here. So currently we have a new support here. So what I'm expecting on gold, I'm not going to take any trade within here because the market is still on a bullish trend. If you can see around here, this might work as a support. So until the market break this level here and retested to this area, then I will have a trade to the downside. So for gold, this is what I'm expecting to see. So guys, those are the setup for this week. Continue watching my YouTube channel as I continue providing you with a weekly material. So thank you for watching.